As we begin to analyze graphs even further, it can be helpful to identify the intervals where a graph might be increasing, decreasing, or constant. So an increasing graph in general, that means a portion of the graph where the y values are getting larger. Now remember, we read our graphs from left to right. So we say that the graph is rising from left to right. You could also view this as walking uphill. So think about if we trace the graph from left to right, here I'm tracing it, you see the y values are getting larger. It's like walking uphill. The graph is rising from left to right. That means you have a portion of the graph where the graph is increasing. Moving on to decreasing, this would be when the graph is falling from left to right. So once again, if you were to trace this graph from left to right, you see that these y values are getting smaller. That's like walking downhill from left to right. You see the y values are getting smaller, the y values are decreasing, so that's a decreasing interval. And lastly, if a graph is constant, so once again, I'm going to trace this graph from left to right, you see that the y values are staying the same. My y values are not changing. That would be like walking on a flat road. So as we go from left to right, if those y values stay the same, then the graph is constant. In this case, a constant graph is going to be a graph that looks like a horizontal line. And you could have a portion of a graph be constant, or the entire graph could be constant. So again, just to summarize, increasing graphs, those are when you're walking uphill. Decreasing graphs, you're walking downhill. Constant graphs, you're walking on flat road.